Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And before I get in today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash the heck out of that red subscribe button, because we're so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once they hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys. So please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already smashed it. And if you have already smashed it, then I thank you so very much for your support. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Phineas and Ferb Dimension, and we're going to see what they've been up to all summer long, because they get real long summer breaks, guys, and they have to be doing something with all that time. But what you guys are going to need is you're going to need 10 orange wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need fur line wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your orange wool, so it should look exactly like that. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3 orange wool and then 1 line wool on top. And then you just want to go ahead and jump on down, and then you just want to go ahead and place 1, 2, 3 orange wool, and then 2 orange wool in the middle, and then 1 lime wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. It should look exactly like this. Make sure it looks exactly like this, and then all you want to do is pull out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on in to this absolutely amazing dimension. Hopefully Phineas and Ferb has been built in something epic, like a roller coaster or something. What the heck? Did they just troll me? No way! Right there's their house, guys. Wow! Oh my god, it looks amazing, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and look through the windows. We're not freepers at all, guys, but whoa. Wow, it looks empty, to be honest. It actually looks really empty, guys. I hope they didn't move. I hope they still live in this house, because it looks really empty. Let's go ahead and head on in, guys. And we're not going to knock. We're just going to go ahead and head right on in. And whoa, guys, they did not move. Wow, they have an absolutely amazing, beautiful, big TV, guys. They also have this nice sofa where you can actually take in the view behind you, because there ain't much of a view in front of you, if you know what I mean. But let's go ahead, let's go ahead and head on through here, guys, and check out the outback. Whoa, guys, right there's the tree that they actually set by every single day. And those guys must be like Phineas and Ferb. They must be out there trying to make some plans. But whoa, guys, that is an absolutely humongous refrigerator. Oh my god, they got cookies, they got bread, they got chicken, they got fish, they got everything you dream of. 3 a.m. in the morning, when you're in your bed, you're really hungry, and you're watching the Food Channel. They got it all, guys. Just come to Phineas and Ferb's fridge and eat whatever you want. And oh my god, what is going on with that sink? You obviously wash your feet in there. And this is obviously the oven where you cook your food. And then they also have another double sink, which is pretty cool. And they also have an anvil, guys. And what's through her? Oh my god, they have a bathroom and they have a tub where you can wash off your cheeks. You can also wash off your pig's cheeks if you want to, guys. They also have a toilet where you can hop up on it and take a swat. Oh my god, no, you cannot come over her, pig. You cannot use the toilet at the same time as me. Wow, that is just nasty. That is disgusting. I am getting out of her. I never want to see you again, pig, after trying to pull a stunt like that. You do not do that. You do not try to use the toilet when somebody else is trying to use it. That is just a no-go, guys. But oh my god, what? This is Candace's room, guys, and whoa, she has an absolutely amazing view. Let me go ahead and jump on her bed, though, guys, and sniff her pillows. Oh, that smells like Candace. What's inside this chest? Whoa, there's nothing inside the chest, guys. She also has, like, this little nice stand where she could, like, put her computer on it or whatnot. But whoa, what's over her? Oh, my God, it's Perry the Platypus. Oh, my God, guys, we just caught him. He was obviously trying to make an exit, and we actually caught him. We busted him in action, guys. Oh my god, how are you doing, Perry the Platypus? This must be Phineas's bed, and then this must be Ferb's bed. I'm actually going to go ahead and give Ferb a cake. I'm going to give Phineas a cookie, because he deserves a cookie, because he's been a good boy, guys. But wow, they have a good view, guys. They have a really good view. But I'm just going to say bye to you, Perry the Platypus, because I am about to blow the heck out of this house. I really am, guys. I'm about to blow it up with some TNT. Are you guys ready for this? It should be an absolutely massive explosion. At least I'm hoping it's going to be a massive explosion, guys, because I'm putting down a lot of TNT. A lot of TNT. So let's go ahead and put it all down, guys. And hopefully, we blow this whole entire house up. I'm running, guys. I'm running because I do not want to die. Run, pig. Oh my god, he died. He died in action. He died in TNT action. But whoa, oh my god, guys. There's more TNT over there blown up. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.